Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the data streams and data lake object in the data cloud. I have already given more detail about data cloud in my previous video. If you have not gone through it, please go and have a look on that, and then it will be more easier for you to understand about the data stream and the data lake object. But data stream is nothing but as you can see, I have already logged in my trial org of the data cloud, and this is free for the 14 days, and you will be getting this trial org by login with your trailhead login ID. So there is option for there to create a trial org for 14 days. It will be get automatically expired after the 14 days. So let me go and create a data stream here. We can see we have a tab here, data stream, where it's loading, and we can see we have a button called new here. Once you click on this new button, it will be opening the options from where we can introduce the data in the Salesforce. So let me explain about what is data stream. Data stream is nothing but it is loading of the data or ingesting of the data inside the data cloud of the Salesforce. So there are the different ways by which you can ingest, or you can say we can load the data in the Salesforce. Like we can load the data from the Salesforce CRM, install data kit and packages, and we have like XCRM, Acton. We have lots of things we have here. Okay. So I'm going to load it data uh, from the Salesforce CRM. Okay, let me click here on the Salesforce CRM here. Let me click on the next button here, next button. Okay, and let me go here. Let it's loading. So it will show all the options we have available for this Salesforce CRM that we can ingest the data. So like we have B2B commerce, D2C commerce, digital engagement, independent service, sales. Also, like if you go in the service cloud, then we have a case, we have what's called entitlement, we have lead, contact, account. So all these objects will be coming once you load the data. So once you load data, I'm going to sales cloud. Okay, let me loading the ingesting the data from the sales uh, bundle. Okay, data bundle. I am clicking on the next. So in the sales bundle, we can see we have three objects here. Let it load. Let it load. A little slow, it's loading. Yep, it's still okay. So we can see here we have three objects: account, contact, and lead. So all these object will be loaded, or we can say ingested in the Salesforce along with the data and the field. Whatever field is created on the account level or contact level or lead level, the same field will be created inside the data stream. So let me go here. So we can select and deselect the field if you don't want to load. It's similar to like we can loading the some other we can say external connectors. Similar way you can see like this only for the external connector as well. Okay, let me go here next. We can see scroll down. We have lots of fields here. We can click next here. Okay, and okay, I forgot to tell you about this new formula field we have. Let me option to go previous screen. It's loading. Okay, so here all these are the, let me go previous here. Okay, let's suppose you want to filter more data here, you can get a new formula field here. Okay, if you want to more filtration of the data, we can get the field API. Let's suppose I am filtering data on the account. Let me create a new filter here. uh, uh, account account related to US. Okay, to US. So here we can select the like return type is a text, formula, or number, whatever you can select here. Okay, let me select here. Let me go here. Attribute we can select the attribute from here. Okay, like account type. Like let's suppose I'm selling here billing state. Okay, let's suppose I'm searching here billing state. Sorry, let me delete here. Let me, if we have a country, then fine. Let me search here billing country. So we have shipping country and we have billing country. Let me select billing country here and equal to US. Okay. Let me get here. So if the billing country, we can filtering the data from here. Okay? So let's suppose we can test this here also. If let's suppose I am giving here US, okay, this will throw invalid format string. Okay. Okay, see we have it true here now. So any country that related to the US, it will be we have it filtered the data here. Okay, it will be filtered in this formula field. We can create this formula field. Okay, let's save it. That's fine. We can go to the next button here. So we have all this object that will be deployed to the data cloud along with the data and the fields. Okay, let me deploy here. Okay, it got deployed now. If you go to data lake object, let's go here. We can see all this object got loaded here. If you go here, we can see a lead home here, the object, and we can see all the fields got loaded here. And if you go see the history, it was last updated on the today only, and total how many record we have? 22 record we have, and this is active. Okay, and this is kind of profile category of. Okay, we have as you know we have profile engagement and others. Profile is nothing but this is more related to the person information, and engagement is nothing but that is more related to the transactional record, like we have purchase order and then payment transaction and all. That is called the engagement. Others means that is nothing, that is not related to individual and not related to a transactional record. So we have a profile here category, and we can see here, let's go to detail here. So we can see here everything is the okay. Let me go here. We can see here the link data stream is lead home here, we can see here, and the name is lead home DLL here we can see, and these are the field. If you see here refresh history, you can see from here. So today it's got refreshed, end time this na, and start time this was, and this time this was. Okay, total 22 record. So now if you go here, we can review this. Review means nothing but we can map this lake object to the some extender object with Salesforce. We can see our custom object with Salesforce. So we can see here we have been mapped this data lake object to the uh, extender object we have in Salesforce. Okay, so like contact point address, we have object, and then we have contact point email, we have object, then contact point phone, we have object. So all this map is already done from the Salesforce once you load the data, because this was loaded from the Salesforce CRM itself. That's the reason it has been categorized the field and it automatically mapped to the existing out of the box fields, object fields. Okay, that is the reason we can see it's already mapped here. But let me search here related to we have uh, I created a new field. Let me see that field is there or not. uh, what is the name? I think I forgot the name of that use. No, something different I name. I forgot the name of that one. Okay, let me go here down. So we have already the primary key that will be always linked to the every of this primary key will be always linked to the individual object. Like here we can say the link to the contact phone ID primary key, contact point email ID primary key. This is nothing but this is lead ID we have been we can say linked to the object. So this is the data lake object we have seen here. If you go to data model here, so let's go here account data object model. So this is the object name here, API name you can see here, category profile, and we have all the fields here. We can see whatever the field we have been loaded, and we have relationship. You can see here if you want to see the relationship. Okay, how it got mapped to which object and which field, minute relationship. It's showing like how what kind of relationship we have, okay, with the fields. We can edit it as well, and we can create a report as well here. Edit category, no, not an issue. Let me go to data explorer now here. Okay, so here we have default data space, because I don't have option to create a new data space, so this is default. We can see object as a data lake object. We have account. Yeah, we have already loaded. We can see already record. Total count is 72 record we have. Okay, and similar we can go to contact. It will be 62 record we have. You can see here. Okay, so this is what about the data stream, data lake object, data model, and how what is the use of data explorer. So I hope you are clear about this terminology and how it can be used. Thanks for watching my video. I'll be explaining in my next video. Thank you.